Hi everyone, this is the Shanamite. Kindly listen to this complaint.
That man, I reported a case to him. Then he charged me that I have to pay for me to pay 100,000, which I paid 100,000. Then he summoned the person. The person paid. The person was owing me 2.something million. The person paid 1 million naira to them. Till now, he blocked me from WhatsApp, everything. He blocked me. He doesn't pick my call. Everything, he just blocked the WhatsApp and, take the money. He didn't even give me my own money, or because for me, I just overlook. Okay, I have been calling him with different number. Once he hear that is my number, or I call him, I tell him he's so person, he will just block the number. Then later on, I got to find out that he's not a real. He was a fake imposter, just parading himself to be Oguguapo, to be chief priest of Oguguapo. You need to deal with that. You need to deal with that man. Not only me, too many people. That man have taken so many people's money. My own money is 1.1 million naira, and 50,000 I paid for him to summon those people.
This is how they use that place.
You understand? Then the guy went to that place. The guy paid the money cash. The guy have to come from from Imo State, because the guy is from Imo State. The guy have to go to the shrine, pay the money, then they salive me. From last time, I have to go send my family to the guy's place. Then the guy started telling me that he already paid the money to them. That they told him not to tell me. That is what this chief priest told him, that he should not tell me that he has already paid the money. Then I called him, he told me yes. After that happened, he told me yes, that they are waiting for the guy to complete the money before they can release my money. That is what I'm up to today. This thing I'm telling you now, it's already 4 months, 5 months now. Up to today, 1 naira they didn't send for me. He took my 50,000, the 1 million, everything. He blocked my number, blocked everything, The problem I had now, the other of my phone, I have all the communication, all the chatting with him. The phone got stolen. I could have forwarded everything. I still have the receipt. I can still take I can still check, ask the person that sent the money to check, because I still have the account details, which something like that I still have. You understand? That is. They have been fooling a lot of people, duping a lot of people from their money with their money. They need to deal with that man, so that if he get away, if he come out from this, he will know. Because this man has been doing it. My own money is 1 million naira plus 50,000 I paid. Up to today, they didn't give me anything. He told me I should wait. That I can't take the money, that if I take the money, the gods will disturb me due to the person haven't paid the money finish, we haven't settled the case in their shrine, that after everything they will send me my own money. That is what we are up to today. Nothing, I didn't get 1 naira. He blocked my number. He blocked the guy's number, everything, because I started disturbing the guy that the guy must pay me my money. Then the guy went back to that place for him to release the money. He started threatening the guy, if he come back again, he will do him elephantai, he will give him elephantaism, he will do this one, that he has to bring the balance money, this and this. That was what happened.
So viewers, you have heard this complaint where he told somebody, no ya konya elephantitis. No ye monya ha tuere. N'elu ego the person. This young man has elders, he has members of his family. They couldn't caution him for these things. Onya digidere so poor, even though we kishade ronya. I made both to tell you this, because if you check his wall, there is a place opposed to earpiece. He bought an earpiece. He posted earpiece. He almost said congratulations to himself. This is one out of 100 messages. You can see the screenshot I attached here. That one is another person. I have many of them. But as long as this thing comes in, I will be forwarding them to the normal place where it should be. This is the way I have some thick evidences against that your preferred native doctor. What they do to me. Collected 1 million naira and went to the back and lied against the person in Wekwe. He lied. The person who gave him the money now came back again. Also, lawyer that he will give him elevatitis Attire. Your jaw, your end, their end. I mean their specific end will rise one morning. Series of evidences like this are here. Mind what you support. This is the Shamanites. Details will be coming gradually.